did all that flying and didn't even turn record on. So record's on. Alright. Let's go back and try it again. So I'm going to cross over here. And let's do a couple of laps here. Let's go out through that gate, out onto the right away. We know nobody's going to be out there. Okay, out, around, back. Check this out. Flying fast, sometimes those branches will sneak up on you if you don't know where they're at. Traffic, which is always traffic out here. Okay, let's go down the ditch. Greenbelt here. Should be able to get up here quite a ways. Lots of signal strength. Can we get up to this road? Yes, we can. Alright, so let's go up high. Just in case, I couldn't see behind me if there are any cars. Now it's red a little bit. Alright. This is pretty about as fast as I want to go. Manual flight, you could probably double your speed, but then you don't have GPS stabilization, so it's a little bit more risky. I'm not a risk taker. So we're just going to cruise through here as low as I feel comfortable with. Check this out, 47%. Signal strength is good. Alright, this is probably far enough right here. Let's cross back over. Under the wires. 43%. Alright, I will be coming back out here. I want to look up the plans, right-of-way plans for the highway in here to see where monuments might be. So I can come back out here and look for them. Alright, let's get set up to come in for a landing. So there's our landing pad. I'm going to come in from the west. So let's come up. One thing I got to kind of watch when I do get low here is any cars on the road. So we'll just come in here on a long final. Here we come, coming down. And stop. There we go. Okay, that was fun. We'll take and view it and go from there. We'll be back out. So until then, we'll see you on the next flight. Thank you for watching my videos on survey mapping made simple. To see more, like and subscribe.